अब हम विनम्र आग्रह करते हैं मणिपुर सरकार के उद्योग एवं वाणिज्य के माननीय मंत्री श्री TH विश्वजीत सिंह जी से के आज के इस ऐतिहासिक अवसर पर चंद शब्द रखें।
गुड आफ्टरनून एवरीवन। मैं सभी को प्रणाम करता हूँ। In fact, after the COVID-19 pandemic, it is very good opportunity, I should say, for all of the northern states, particularly Manipur, to highlight about the petroleum and the natural gas exploration and production. As to highlight the scenario of the petroleum and the natural gas, the possibility available of the petroleum and natural gas in Manipur falls in the category 1 basin. And in fact, this is proven commercial productivity categorized by the Government of India. Firstly, Government of India has awarded an exploration block to ONGC and Tullow India Operation Limited, who is the partner, joint venture partner of the ONGC, for 220 square kilometer in Manipur under Jiribam and Susampur, now called the Fairjol district. And no exploration work was learned to carry out by the company on such portion and was given off in the year 2014. Secondly, MS Jubilant Energy Noida granted the petroleum exploration license in the year 2020 in a total area of the 3,957 square kilometer for exploration in oil and gas in 2 blocks in the district of the Susampur, as I mentioned, now called it Fairjol, Tamenglong, and Jiribam districts. They have actually, in fact, done the tremendous survey in our state, and they have almost completed the surveys. Even the 2D and the 3D also completed by the company, and only remained the drilling for confirmation because of the force measures and some other factors like the non-granting of the environmental clearance from the ministry and the force measures conditions of the road and the bridges was not to the capacity for transportation of the exploratory drilling equipments. So hence they have just submitted the exit proposal. And here I would like to mention some of the few things have changed after the formation of the new government in the state. And now all the logistical systems are improved and the road and bridges are strengthened and constructed. And anybody or every company and investor can come and enjoy the exploration and the production in our state. And thirdly, Government of India again entrusted the National Seismic Survey Program to MS Oil India Limited. It is in fact to the survey only. As part of their work, Oil India Limited carried out some control blasting at some selected areas and reflected waves recorded an analysis of the reflected wave shows the presence of the favorable oil and gas bearing rock structures and formations. And they have just stopped because of some apprehensions arises amongst the local people and political influence in those days in the previous regime. So after installation of the government, they personally started the awareness program with all the stakeholders in all the areas. And now, in short, there is no such atmosphere and issues at all. So state government has formulated and framed and enacted so many, these policies like, say, industrial and investment policy of Manipur 2017, Manipur Industrial State Rule 2019, Manipur Public Service Delivery Guarantee Act 2021, Manipur Industrial Single Window Clearance 2021. This is very important for ease of the doing business and clearing all type of the proposals proposed by the investor. And Manipur Factories Rule 2021 and many more, and also every process can be done online, and even the payment also can be done through online only, sir. As to conclude, I would like to request all the investors and the Ministry of the Petroleum and Natural Gas to help Manipur and also convey this message. Things have changed with the change of government and the governance. And lastly, I would further request to the Honorable Minister Hardeep Singh Puri ji and Rameshwar Teli ji to make an arrangement to continue the same work on the basis of the report submitted by the Jubilant Energy so that we can explore all kind of the available of our petroleum and natural gas in the states if possible. So once again, I thank everyone here gathering. Jai Hind.